Now, I will help you learn how to compare length.
Length is the horizontal distance from one end of an object to the other end. Now, let's compare some objects and see which are longer than others and which are the longest. This is a chili. This chili is longer. This chili is the longest. This is a broom. This broom is longer. This broom is the longest. Longer, longest. Longer, longest. Next, we learn about shorter and shortest. This is a cucumber. This cucumber is shorter. This cucumber is the shortest. This is a thermometer. This thermometer is shorter. This thermometer is the shortest. Shorter, shortest. Shorter, shortest.
Super easy? Let's do it now!
Do these watches have the same length? Yes!
Super!
Do these watches have the same length? No!
Bravo!
Which sword is longer?
You're doing great!
Which key is longer?
Yeah!
Which comb is shorter?
That's right!
Which one is the longest?
Good going!
Which one is the longest?
That's it!
Which one is the shortest?
Good going!
Which one is the shortest?
Yeah!
Move the shortest caterpillar to the box.
Perfect!
Move the longest carrot to the box.
You did it!
Move the shortest rolling pin to the box.
Fantastic!
Put the ships in order from the longest to the shortest.
Great job!
Put the dogs in order from the longest to the shortest.
Awesome!
Put the buses in order from the shortest to the longest.
Bravo!
Which pencil is longer?
Good thinking!
Which sword is shorter?
Great!
Which key is shorter?
Good job!
Move the longest screwdriver to the box.
Bravo!
Move the longest screwdriver to the box.
Excellent!
Put the thermometers in order from the shortest to the longest.
Great job!
Put the brooms in order from the shortest to the longest.